town?
Huh? Glee Club. Oh, man, don't do that to me.
Sorry, but I need a favor. See, I haven't had a date in weeks.
No.
Come on, you've done it before.
Well, I'm not doing it again.
I'll make it worth your while.
Okay, but it's gonna cost you.
Here's your cat, ma'am.
I can't believe he did that. Bad kitty.
Cats aren't the brightest animals.
You are so right. Ow!
Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. Now, how can I ever thank you? Oh, look. A freshly baked homemade 7-layer cake. Would you like some?
Was it made by a single gal?
Yes, sirree.
I'll just put my ladder away and be right back.
Good work, Salem.
Show me the tuna. Show me the tuna. Say I love the black cat.
I love the black cat.
I can't hear you.
I love the black cat.
I love the black cat.